Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are using Zoom for online meetings, classes, or business calls, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. Because today, I'm going to show you a simple but very useful feature in Zoom that many people don't even know about. How to transfer a meeting inside the Zoom app. This feature is very useful if you are managing meetings and need to switch or transfer control quickly without any confusion. So in this video, I will guide you step by step in a very easy way so you can do it on your own without any problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Zoom. Make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the Zoom app. You will see the main interface of the app. Now join or start a meeting. After that, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots, More Options menu. Here you will see different options. One of them will be the Transfer Meeting option. Simply tap on it, and you will be able to transfer the meeting to another user or device, depending on your setup. Right now, I don't have an active meeting, so I can't demonstrate it fully, but when you try it during a real meeting, it will work exactly like this. And that's it for this video.